Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. I just have a couple of more cards I wanted to show you. I know it's late after the first of the year, but I'm sure I'll have these until for next year to mail out. Here's this one right here. This was in my stash still from like last year or the year before, so I'm trying to use that, you know, all my scraps and stuff. This right here is a die. I'm not sure who it's through. If you want to know, let me know. And this right here, I just put some stickles on. And this is a thing that I made using a Tim Holtz the clear little thing on top, and then underneath is the Happy Holidays, and that's in this little flip book that you can make like bottle caps and stuff with, and I just put it under this. You can get those at Hobby Lobby. This is a CC's design. I colored her up and cut her out, and this is that I can't remember the name of it, where you put it on there and then you heat it to make it bubble up. After it did that, it didn't really do as good as I wanted it to, but after it did that, I got my the glitter pen, the glitter brush, and tried to glitter it up some. You probably can't see it on the camera, but you can see it in real life. And this right here was just something I had in my stash, this little frame, and so I just put it on this card and had her sitting in the frame. So there's that one. And then this one is a Thanksgiving card. I forgot to show this one the last time, but this paper right here is in that stack that I got from Michael's, the $5 stacks that they were doing back then around Thanksgiving. This is a new die that I have, and these are, I believe, memory box. I'm not sure. And then I got this at these. It had two of these long strips of these chevron type things. I used some of it on a journal book that I sent to Justine Stone for her kangaroo camp thing, and it looked really cute on that, and I used some of it on this, but I only used one of them, and I think I got a little bit left. It came with two long strips. I don't think they have them anymore, but they were just really cute. So it was just, they're already adhesive on the back, but that's all I did. And that's it. It's just these two little cards I just wanted to show you. I am putting together a really big D-stash. It's going to be a while before I have it all ready, because I've gotten to where I can't do my crafts the way I want to, so I'm going to be getting rid of a bunch of stuff. So just keep a watch out for that. Subscribe to my channel down below, and also click on that little bell. I can't remember if it comes right away when you subscribe or not, but that bell to where you'll get notifications when I upload my videos. So, and if you're interested in the D-stashes, you'll want to do that. Alright, well, just let me know what you think about these, guys. I don't think I have two more of these. I think I do have a few that I'm going to be showing y'all, because I've had a lot of these that I've been trying to stamp out and color and see if I like how it flows, to if I'm going to keep the stamp or not. A lot of them I'm not keeping, so I'm going to have a lot of stamps that I'm going to be getting rid of. So just let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.